AI videos are getting millions of views across social media right now. And the craziest part is you can create each and every one of them absolutely free with AI tools. I'm going to be showing you how. Imagine I'm sitting right here and I'm also in China fighting Kung Fu. Check out these miniature mini animals running through the tunnels with camera on their back. DIY cement platter clips with ants pouring cement into a mold. Isn't that so unique? In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make all these free videos with 2 free tools. Come along and let me show you. Don't forget to save this video and subscribe so that you don't miss any part of it or whenever you want to come back to it. Let's get started. The first tools we're going to use is ChatGPT and the next one is Vids.new. No expensive software, no editing skill, just repeatable formula you can reuse in almost any niche. The first thing you're going to do is take a picture of you in a plain background. Once you've taken that picture, head over to Google and type Kung Fu outfits. Now you will select the one you want to use. Download the image, make sure that it doesn't have any watermark. Upload it into ChatGPT just like this. Ask ChatGPT to give you a full description of that image. The outfit only, not the avatar wearing it. Now copy that prompt and upload your own picture. Tell ChatGPT to use the details to transform your outfit into the full detail of the Kung Fu outfit. And there you have it. Now you are ready to go and fight. So let's go ahead and create the first viral format Mine transforms me into a Kung Fu fighter. And videos like this are pulling in millions of views because one simple reason, people watch until the very end. They want to see exactly what's going to happen. And that wait for it effect is exactly why these formats perform well. When you're uploading this video, ensure that you edit it appropriately. Ensure that it is cinematic and it shows dynamic actions and poses. So that way, it creates that viral effect that you need. Now, for the scene 2, you screenshot the last technique that your avatar did so that it will be a continuous process and it will look like the activity went on for the duration of the period that you want. Once you screenshot that, you upload it back into ChatGPT and ask it to give you a prompt to do the next scene. Now, use that prompt that you generated to create your next video in Vids.new. Now that we are in Vids.new, upload your avatar. And this is the process you're going to use. You first of all go to Avatar and click down this button. Select Upload. Choose vertical because you want it to, well, it depends on the platform you want to use. So if you are using Instagram or TikTok, make sure it's the vertical. And if it's YouTube and it's not YouTube Shorts, use the horizontal layout. Now, just click on this particular box below and put in the prompt that ChatGPT gave you to animate the image. Then you wait. It doesn't take long, less than 1 minute, and your video is ready. Check out the video. It is a completely free platform. And once you have a Gmail account, you can use it. The actual animation and magic happens right in here. And you can see that the step is so easy. Smooth B-rolls and everything that you need. Now we have our first full video ready. Download it, click at the top corner and ask it to download. Now repeat the process for all the images that you have generated in ChatGPT. And that's it. That's the entire workflow behind the millions of views. Isn't that easy? Well, let's get into the next one we're doing. We're going to be doing the miniature animal video right now. This miniature mini animals are really exploding right now. Workflow stays almost identical to the format of the Kung Fu. I'll move through this one a little faster. So the first thing you want to do is enter ChatGPT again. Describe your miniature world. What animal do you want? Like for me, I used a rat in New York. Oh, so make sure you describe the animal, the environment, and what camera angle you want to use. Once you've given ChatGPT the full description, it will go ahead and generate the images of what you want. You want to create as many images as possible so that you have enough to select from. Make sure that all the details you gave it is done on your image so that it looks really good on the final video output. Now that the images are ready, let's head over to Vids.new again. Again, select the vertical format of the avatar, upload the image of the first scene, and paste your prompt in the description. Click generate and wait for it to generate. Voila, it's ready. Now you have to do the same. Screenshot the end, add it back into upload it back into the avatar and let it generate your next scene. Do it for all that you want. Make sure that the motion is just exactly what you want. Describe how your animals will move and hit generate. Vids.new brings the whole miniature world into life. As you can see, the workflow stays almost identical to the first one. So once you've learned one niche, you can create dozens of very viral clips just like this. Same steps, different prompts, different niche, same viral potential. Now that you've learned for the miniature, let me know in the comment section, would you be generating that? All right, let's go to the third format, the DIY cement planter. The third format is probably one of the easiest to monetize. DIY cement planter videos are generating a lot of views and a lot of creators are making a lot of money just generating these videos. For this one, you can actually use your own avatar to generate the DIY cement planter video. So you first of all take a picture of you in an outdoor background, probably standing by a garden, and then you upload it into ChatGPT. Then you tell it exactly the kind of video you want to create, just like this. You can copy this prompt and tweak it to fit whatever you want to create for yourself. Like I said, always ensure that you've put a full description so that ChatGPT can give you accurate prompts. You can write raw cement poured into modern planter mold, DIY aesthetic, before and after images populating. Then ChatGPT will create various images of the description that you gave it. Now, after you've generated the images, you download it and head over to Vids. Just describe your before shot, the raw materials, and your after shot. And the finished planter is ready. Then you your CapCut to edit everything. Zoom in and zoom out to make sure that everything looks unique and well presented. You can add your voiceover, background music, effects to make it actually be more engaging. Make sure you cut them in order to make sure that they are smooth. Here is the part that matters the most. As you can see, whether you're creating AI transformation videos, miniature animal worlds, or even DIY cement planter videos, the workflow is exactly the same every single time. Once you understand it, you can actually create unlimited viral content in almost any niche using Vids.new, completely free. And that is very, very important because you see a lot of these videos being dropped out every day, and you'll be wondering, are they paying so much to do this? But no, this is the secret that they've refused to let you know. Quick recap before you go. The first step is generate your prompts and images in ChatGPT or directly in Vids.new. Paste your prompt into Vids.new and generate your clips. Download it, edit it in CapCut, and post on any of your selected platform. If this video has helped you, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and like this video, turn on notification because I'll always share free AI workflows. I'm always striving to discover new ones, like I promised, and I will always bring them to you. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.